I'm Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never meant to make your daughter cry. I apologize a trillion times. I'm Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real. Never.
Hey y'all, so I am back. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I've already washed my wig and everything, and my wig is dry. I just like literally let it air dry for like about a day. Just because I wasn't doing nothing. I work from home. So what I'm doing now, I'm just taking this Eco Styler gel on this brush, and I am going to slick back my edges. And y'all, excuse my braids, like these braids been up for a minute, and clearly I have a lot of new growth because when I first put these braids in, my full head was blonde. So that'll just tell y'all how long these braids been in, but also my hair grow fast too. So go ahead and I slipped my edges back like that. Now I'm just gonna take a towel and just take some alcohol and just kind of clean my hairline. So kind of just cleaning it because I did oil my scalp prior to putting these in. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my bald cap and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and I'm gonna just push back the hairs. So I don't know where my scissors is at, so I'm gonna just go ahead and use this, try to use this comb to make my little ear holes. I got my little ear holes out and my bald cap down. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm not using the Erica J like adhesive just because I'm out of it, but I am gonna use the adhesive Skin Guard, and I'm just gonna spray that just around the area where I plan on, you know, putting my lace. Then I am actually gonna go in with my Kiss, and as y'all see, I'm still using the Kiss throughout this video. So I'm gonna go in with this and just outline my hairline. And y'all, excuse me if I'm a little like off. I can't really see that good just looking at my camera, because I know this is a lot right here. It's like a lot, but I can't see, so I'm just trying to get it in all the places. Y'all, this is one thing that I do. Ooh, I know that was too far. That is one thing that I do like about this skin adhesive, is that like usually I would need like a popsicle stick or something, but just this little applicator just makes it so easy, because like I don't have to use the end of a comb, I don't have to go look for a popsicle stick or nothing like that. I can literally just use one thing. Like I can use my glue, and it's a spreader on it also. And then like I know they would have like those edge combs where you like it had like the little spatula on the end. I don't like those either, because they too little and they just, I don't know, they just seem to get like super sticky. But like you would think that this would get sticky, but it doesn't, because it's a silicone tip and you can just like literally easily wipe it off. And even when I don't wipe it off, like it still don't be sticky. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm only gonna do one coat, and then I think I'm gonna blow dry some and then let it air dry, and then I'll be back. I did try to go a little around like the ear tabs because it be coming up a lot, as y'all can see from the beginning. Or I think I'm gonna split this into separate parts, but from the first part you can tell that like it was down and my ear flaps start coming up. So I'm gonna blow dry a little, and then I am going to let it air dry the rest of the way. Okay, y'all, so I've let it dry down and everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just cut away the excess cap. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take the back of the cap and tie it and tuck it. Now that my wig cap is down and everything, I'm gonna get my wig, and I have my wig right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and brush it out. And then I'm gonna put it on just for fit, just to see like if I need to cut some more of my wig cap in that jazz. Okay. So I have my wig down and everything, and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get my wig clips. Like that. Now I am going to go in with my, I was about to say Becca K, with my Ruby Kisses. I don't know where I got Becca K from. I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses powder and just put it on my hairline to try to blend a little more. And I think I need a little something darker. So okay, so now we're gonna go ahead in with our glue again, and I'm just gonna put it, it's got a hair on it, I'm gonna put the glue just all over my hairline, like right, and I actually can do it like a little more accurate this time because yeah, it's like a hair. that just keep getting in the way. Okay, so yeah, I can do it a little bit more accurate this time because like my cap is down and I know where I want to lay everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it around there. And I'm gonna try, I tend to be heavy-handed, but I'm gonna try to do it in thin layers. And I think I'm gonna do around like 3 layers. And I'm not gonna go in with a blow dryer on this one. I'm gonna actually just let this air dry since I am kind of doing thinner layers. Okay, so that has dried. So now I am going to go ahead and go in and pull it down. And I'm trying to lift this up so it won't like bubble under. Yep, just like that. And y'all, the glue feels tight. Like I love when my glue feels like tight. Y'all, and I know like what my problem is and why my like wigs be lifting a lot of the times is that like I'm a lazy wig installer, so like I won't use like a bald cap a lot of the times. Like a lot of the times I'll just like put it straight directly on my skin, and that's my issue. Like I gotta stop doing that because I always get like a seamless, not flawless, because still could use some work, but a seamless install when I use a bald cap. Like always, I never have issues. So it looks like right here might not have any glue in it, so I'm going to take the precision tip and go ahead and just put some glue right there. And I don't wait long for like just the precision part. I just go ahead and press it right over like where it needs it at and press it down just like that. So okay, let's see. So yeah, y'all, now I'm gonna go ahead and take I'm gonna take my blow dryer and I'm gonna blow dry on cool while pressing it down with my comb for a little. Hey y'all, so I went ahead and just did my baby hairs off of camera, and I also flat ironed the hair as well. So now I am just going to first I'm gonna put this comb under this cap so it can stop kind of flapping in the back. And then now I have my hot comb that's been heating up for a little bit, and I'm just gonna go ahead and press out my part so it can just lay a little flatter. Y'all, and usually I use like a edge wax to like flatten out my part, but I find that like that makes the hair get just like dirtier sooner. Well, not dirtier, I guess, like stiffer sooner. So I'm not using edge wax this time. Y'all, I feel like this is the best that I have like ever done my edges before. Like, they look cute. So go ahead and press this side too. Y'all, I did a good job. Comment down below if y'all think I did a good job installing this wig, because even if y'all don't tell me I did a good job, I know I did a good job on this one. Compared to my other installs, like, I'm literally getting better and better. If I would just stop being so lazy and just do the ball cap. Okay, so cool. So the only other thing that I'll probably do, and I'll probably do it off camera, is just like add a little black, or I might do brown. Actually, I might do brown because I have like a brown eye tinting, or it's like not eye tinting. What am I talking about, y'all? I'm tired. I have a brown like eyebrow tinting kit. It's really like the men's facial hair thing, but I use it for my eyebrows. So I'll probably just use some of that, and I'll probably just use that. Just the tint right there. But yeah, y'all, other than that, this is the end result of me doing the install from start to finish. Like, literally taking it down, washing it, and reinstalling the hair. So yeah, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video and want more videos like this, then comment down below and let your girl know. Other than that, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.